Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. I've been seeing a lot of new subscribers, so thank you guys so much for joining my crafty community here on YouTube. I also do have an Instagram if you guys want to see more up-to-date posts about what I'm creating, so you guys could check me out there as well. But thank you guys so much for joining and returning if you are a returning subscriber. So here in today's video, I have another project share to show you guys, and those of you guys that have been with me for a while, you guys know I've been loving making these triple waterfall folios, and they're trifold folios with a triple waterfall. It's a lot of tries in there. So they're so fun to make, they're easy to make, and they're a great use of using up a lot of paper. You could use anywhere from like 6 to 8 sheets of full 12 by 12 sheets of paper on this kind of project, so it's a great way to use up those collection kits. So I'm gonna get started and show you guys what I created. Okay guys, so I used the Sunshine and Blue Skies collection kit by Simple Stories. I don't have the cover to show you guys, but I did make a project with it previously, which I'll link in the description box down below so you guys could check that out. I had about, I think, 3 sheets left, and then I also had 2 different sheets of the 25 packs of sheets that I found on Tuesday morning. So I have a lot of 2 of the pages, which is I think it's which ones do I have? I don't even know. The palm trees I know I have, and I have some other one. No, not the palm trees. The palm trees I will have. I don't know what I have in my stash. Oh, I do know actually. I'll show you guys. I think I might know. Let's put it that way. This album folio is also available for purchase at the time of filming this video. So if you guys are interested and you guys want to purchase this album, check out the link in the description box down below. It'll have, it'll say album, and then it'll have a link to my Etsy shop where you guys could purchase it. If it's already sold, there won't be a link. It'll just say sold. But at the time of filming this video, it is available, and until it sells, it's available, and then I'll just say sold. So you guys could check that out if you guys are interested. Anyway, so with this trifold waterfall tutorial, I don't have a tutorial, but Tiffany from Let's Get Scrappy, which originally inspired me to make this, she now has a tutorial on her channel. So I'm going to have her video linked down below. It's a 2-part tutorial. I will have part 1 linked for you guys. So she does have a tutorial on how to make the base and then how to make all the inside elements and everything like that. So you guys could check her out. I love watching her channel, and her tutorials are easy to follow. I personally did not follow her tutorial. I just make mine a little different. I was inspired by the first one that she made, and I was like, I need to make one. So I didn't follow her tutorial, but you guys can. It's the same exact like construction of mine, just a little different. Like I make mine a little differently, but it's the same elements and the same pieces. So you guys could definitely check that out. All right, so as always, I have my zigzag stitching on the front cover. You guys know I love doing that. I have my single stitching here, and here I actually layered a scrap piece of paper behind my cut apart, which just says summertime. So I layered a scrap piece behind that cut apart with some gold. I got some stickers here from the collection kit. So I've got a little ice cream, this little like monstera leaf. I've got some glitter enamel dots. I got a watermelon down here and more glitter enamel dots, and this beautiful flip-flop paper in the background. On the spines here, I have more of that pink paper. On the back, I did some paper piecing. I've got this lemon paper here and this swimming paper down here with my logo. And this swimming paper is actually one that I have in my stash that I have 25 sheets of, which I probably have, I think, either 24 or 23 sheets of now. Again, on this spine, I have the same with that pink paper. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it so much. So you guys should definitely check out Tiffany's video if you guys want to know how to make it now. And I'm so happy I'm able to tell you guys that there is a tutorial now. All right, so when you open this up, it looks like this. Here, I've got a 4x4 cut apart that I put here. It says Sunshine State of Mind. And this just opens up like that. It is magnetized, but you could add like a secret, like hidden photo here, or like a message. And then you could also add photos here. Just, I wouldn't add too much. I'd probably go up to like here. So if you wanted to put 2 photos back to back, you could definitely do that here. But there's magnets here and here, so you don't want to you just want to put in the center. You don't want to cover up those magnets. On this side, you've got a pocket, and I just decorated with some stickers. I've got a floral here, a sun, some sunglasses, and it says hot, hot, hot. And I've got lots of cut-aparts here, because for the cut-aparts, I did have the like snap cards, so I was able to use those, and I also had some left over from the previous time I made something with this. So this one says good vibes only, and they are all journal cards, so they open up and they've all got some white space on the inside. This one says everything's coming up, sunshine and rainbows. I had a lot of the 4x4 cut-aparts. There's this one that says good times and tan lines. And then I've got a 4x6 that says hot summer nights. So yeah, they all open up, and you could do some journaling on the inside. You could add some photos on the inside. You could add a photo and do journaling. Oh yeah, I forgot I had 5. Okay, wow, I got a lot of cut-aparts. Thought I had 4 for a sec. Oh no, I do have 4. I thought that was another one for a second there. Okay, now I gotta rearrange these again so that they're nicely staggered in my pocket there. Then this opens up because, like I said, it is a Trifold Folio, so that means there's 3 kind of bases of the chipboard. So here, and let me tell you guys, so here for this one, I had this palm tree kind of paper, right? But it didn't cover the full size of my page, which is where I added the gold strip. With that gold strip though, this page didn't want to close. It kept getting stuck on that gold strip anytime I went to go close it. So it would get stuck on that, and then I couldn't close it. But that's why I ended up adding this journal card here, so now it works out just fine. So I just wanted to point out my mistake, guys, because sometimes we get so caught up in our mistakes and we're like, oh, we don't know how to fix it. But there's always, or usually, there is a way to fix something. You just got to think outside the box. So I did add this cut apart here. I was originally just going to stick it down, and I had glue on my cut apart and everything. And I was like, wait, let me stick this on a base so I can make it like a little tuck spot. So then I stuck it down on the black cardstock, and then I only glued down on 3 sides, which made this cute little tuck spot here. And I've got a cute little tag with a white backside, so you could do some journaling on that. And it goes anywhere in this pocket. I just kind of have it hanging off to the side because there's also a little notch here for another pocket as well, because this whole page is a pocket page. I did some decorated with some stickers. You got a floral, you've got leafy thing, and it says summertime fun. And this is so cute because you could just do some journaling on it. I really love how this turned out. It's bright and fun, and I love it. So then my pull-out insert looks like this, and yeah, it just pulls out. You could do some journaling on here, and you could add tons and tons of photos, so you could fit a lot of photos on there. And you could do like a little collage of photos. And this time I forgot to do my notch ahead of time with my envelope punch board, so I did end up just taking one of my paper punches, and it's the circle, so I had to do that instead because I forgot to do my notch with the envelope punch board, and you can't exactly do that after it's glued down. But the punch you could stick in there, the envelope punch board you really can't. So I just ended up doing a little notch there. Then this flips open to this side. I paper pieced 2 pieces of paper together because I didn't have a full size to cover this up. So I've got the lemons, I've got flip-flops, I did some decorating with like a beach ball and lemonade, and it says lemonade. I have a large tag here and a little like flip book. So here's my large tag, and this is another paper I think I have a ton of in my stash. It's this one and I think this one. So I think one of these has that sewing paper in the back side. I don't know, something like that. So I have like 25 sheets of those. Well, like 23 or 24 now, but this is just a large tag that you could do some writing on the back, so that lives here. And then I also have this little like note thing that says soak up the sun. I did some stitching around it, and I've got some handmade pink dyed paper, so you could just write a bunch of stuff in here on these pages. and I just have that living in this pocket as well. Just tucked right in there. Then here I have a 4x6 waterfall, and then we've got two 3x4 waterfalls. So here in this 4x6 one, it says sunshine and blue skies. I've got a pull-out tag back here. It's the same size as this one right here, but not the same size as the one on the other page. So that tucks right back in here. Easy little tuck spot. 4x6 photos here. I've got seam binding closure, and I forgot seam binding on all these tags, and I'll have my seam binding dealer linked down below. I get all my seam binding from her from my scrap cabin shop, and she just got all the colors I ever need. So these open up, and they are all paper matted on the one side, so you could do some journaling and then add a photo. And I did have the coordinating papers that I found at Tuesday Morning to this collection, so I was able to use them in here. That's why they all match so perfectly. All right, so that looks like that. And then for the 3x4, they stay fairly flat, so I didn't need like a closure, but I did add the one on here. So this one says summer and summertime memories, and these all open up, and again, they are all waterfalls. But this time, the last page also opens up and flips open, unlike this one. This one's glued down because I made it a pocket in the back, but this one flips open, so you could add a full-size photo going across, because this one also opens all the way. See? So then you could add like a full-size photo down here, and yeah. So that is the full album. At the time of filming this video, this one is available for purchase. So if you guys are interested, I will have the link down below to my Etsy where you could purchase it. If it's already sold, it'll say sold. But at the time I am filming this, it is available. So I don't know. I also post things just sooner on Instagram because that's more up to date. So it depends on if it sells there or not first. Alright guys, so that is everything for my album. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, don't forget to check out Tiffany's tutorial if you guys are interested in making your own. So check that out down below. And that is everything. So I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.